Welcome to Delft Stack. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix the USB device not recognized error in Windows step by step. This error usually happens because of faulty drivers, power issues, or a problem with the USB port or cable. First, unplug the USB device and try connecting it to a different USB port on your computer. Next, restart your computer because Windows sometimes fails to properly initiate the device. Now open Device Manager, expand Universal Serial Pass Controllers, and look for any device with a warning icon. Right-click it and select Uninstall Device, then reconnect the USB so Windows can reinstall the driver automatically. You can also try updating the USB drivers from Device Manager for better compatibility. If the issue continues, disable USB selective suspend in Power Options to prevent power saving from cutting the connection. Just search for Power Options and click on Edit Power Plan, then click on Change Advanced Power Settings and search for USB Settings. You will find USB selective suspend settings, just disable it. Finally, test the USB device on another computer to confirm if it's a hardware issue or a Windows problem. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.